We demand increasingly more from our devices. Telephones must be capable of playing HD films and sensors that can continually register our body and our health. All of these devices require a considerable amount of energy. Making these devices more energy efficient and more powerful depends on our ability to make computer chips smaller and more efficient, because smaller chips use less energy.
So computer chips of nowadays are mostly made of silicon as the channel material, and what we would like to do for next generation is to replace this silicon channel material with graphene, and then we can make the devices more powerful and more energy efficient.
Graphene, which consists of a single layer of carbon atoms in a characteristic honeycomb structure, could lead to a revolution within electronics. It is flexible and it conducts electricity better than copper. For example, you could use it to make flexible screens or extremely powerful computer chips. However, you can only do this if you can make electrical contacts on graphene. Unfortunately, the current methods used to make electrical contacts on chips damage the graphene.
The thing is that graphene is a very sensitive material, so you cannot use the same processing techniques like etching and lift-off steps that you would normally do on silicon. So one of the things we looked into is how to make the electrical contacts on the graphene. And for that we use a technique in which we can deposit the material atomic layer by atomic layer on the nanoscale, so with a very accurate control of the firm properties and the thickness. And that gives more reliable devices.
Thanks to this method, we can work on using the nanomaterial graphene to produce chips. If that proves to be successful, and things are going the right way, then this could lead to a revolution within the field of electronics. Then we can develop devices that are far smaller, more powerful, and more energy efficient.